48 volt battery, see on our manual. This is the message in the cluster, and this is yellow color. So this model series C206, model is the C200, and the battery location engine compartment front right side. So it's a yellow message. You can start the car, and also in this car you can drive, but sometimes with yellow message you cannot drive the car. But I'm telling about this C class, what is the procedure to remove the battery, and is easiest way you can also save the time. So you need the computer. Without computer, after fixing the new battery, you cannot start the car and you cannot drive. So before removing, also you need to connect the computer, and you should make the battery ready for transportable. That's why you need to connect the computer before removing the old battery. Also with the computer you have to bleed the cooling system of 48 volt battery, because in this car you can see this is the pipe for releasing the gas from the battery, and also there are two coolant line, that one is the for entry the coolant, one is the outlet. So whenever you are replacing the 48 volt battery, you should bleed the cooling system of high voltage battery with the computer. Otherwise maybe the battery malfunction and the cooling system malfunction will appear in the yellow color. That will also affect your performance of the engine and reduce the engine speed. Also top up the coolant and bleed the cooling system. So these are the things. Also when you are removing the 48 volt battery, you have to remove DC-DC converter from top of this 48 volt battery and fix on the new 48 volt battery. So this is the a special liquid is required to fix the DC-DC converter. So in the manual, and the process, when you are replacing, you will get this information related to the battery. So this is the only one connection for this battery, and for this one is the holding the battery. And now you can see this is a complete battery. This is the releasing the cap, and this one the cooling system, and these are the electrical connector, and this is the battery is out. Here is the place, this is the bracket which one holding the battery, and these are the electrical connectors. Liquid we are using to fix the DC-DC converter on the new 48 volt battery.